Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to check your searched group's history on your Facebook page using your PC, you're in the right place. With Facebook's latest update, the process is a little different, but I'm here to guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage by clicking on its name. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page, look for the page's profile photo, usually located at the top left. Click on it to access your page's main menu. Now, it's time to dive into your page settings. Find and click on the option labeled Settings and Privacy. A new menu will pop up. Select Settings from this list. This is where all your page's controls and privacy options are located. Next, scroll down and find the section called Activity Log. Click on it to open a detailed history of your page's activities. The activity log is where Facebook keeps track of almost everything you do